My name is Jason. I'm the Sales and Export Director of Anhui Machine Manufacture Company Limited, which has been manufacturing HVAC duct forming machines for years. This video is for our CNC hydraulic guillotine. Please allow me to introduce you more details of it. General characteristics apply to all our guillotines. Rigid frame is built with thick plate steel to ensure function, stability, and durability. Rake angle realized by a 0.5 degree to 3.5 degree tilt. Upper blade holder makes the cutting more stable and enlarges the working capacity of thicker steel plate. Back gauge retracting range of 20mm to 800mm satisfies customers' needs. Emergency stops on machine and foot switch ensure labor safety. Thank you very much for the listening and watching. Thank you.